Hi, Prof. I hope you are feeling fantastic today. So, I am thrilled to be here to talk you about a remarkable vehicle that has been turning heads and making waves in the automotive industry that we want to present about the Proton. So, as you can see, I am AIENA binti Abdul Syukur, and over the next, me and my team, we are going to take a closer look at what makes the Proton stand out in the crowded automotive landscape. Whether you are car enthusiast, someone in search of a reliable and stylish vehicle, or just curious about the latest innovations in the automotive world, you are in for a treat. But before we delve into the details, let me ask you this. What do you look for in a car? Is it the sleek design, advanced technology, safety features, or perhaps a combination of all these elements? Well, the Proton checks all these boxes and more. So, today we will explore the unique features, cutting-edge technology, and the driving experience that makes the Proton standout choice. So, fasten your seatbelts because we are about to embark on a journey through innovation and style with the Proton. Let's get started. Okay, now we start with history of Proton. Okay, so for the short name for the Proton is Perusahaan Otomobil Nasional Berhad. So today, Proton continues to delight its customers with cars and car on its brand promise of inspiring connections and develop on its core values of always delivering innovative technology, reliability, and international standards. Proton has an incredible vision and mission. So, I want to show you the Proton logo that has been changed year by year and time by time, and every Proton logo that has changed have their own symbolic and meaning.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm MOHAMAD SYAZUADI. Today I will be presenting a SWOT analysis for company Proton. First, we're presenting about the strengths in the Proton. So as we know that the Proton have a brand recognition, which is a Proton had a strong brand present in Malaysia and other Malaysia market. This perusahaan Automobile National Proton was established in May 1983 through a joint venture between the Heavy Industry Corporation of Malaysia, which is HiCom, and Mitsubishi Motors from Japan. As we know that for the strength is we are joint venture with Mitsubishi Motors. We have a great design and a great technology from the Japan. Secondly, we have a government support. Proton has historically received support from the Malaysian government, which can be a significant strength. This support aims to promote the development of the local automotive industry and improve Malaysia's position in the global automotive arena, which is the Proton company has a full government support from the foundation. Also have a full of from strength from the Malaysia government, which is for the financial and also the labor. And the third is a local manufacturing, local installation of better known as a CKD, assembly by Proton and other local automotive company has several advantage compared to imported car. Disadvantage involve aspect economy, industry and support the local Malaysia production and are some of the advantages of the local assembly by Proton. This is we have a great a great a great market in Malaysia, and compared to other brand in Malaysia for the our future for the our future cars. So the strength also has experience in automotive industry, which is experience of Proton have developed expert, expertise in automotive industry, which is, can improve technology and accessibility. As we know, the now the technology in automotive was rarely compared to another brand in Japan and also the Europe. Commitment to quality, industry knowledge, and also for the strength in Proton also have a variety of the model, offering a diverse range of the car model and can cater to different market segment. Okay, for the weaknesses, okay, we can see the depend our company Proton is depend on the domestic market. Market as we know, we have a market risk concentration in Malaysia. As we know, as a political, have we know financial, our currency, and so we have a local market demand instability uh, compared to imported car and also other brand in Malaysia like a Prodwa and so on. We have a competition with imported vehicle, as I said earlier. We have a compare with brand from Japan and also of the other Europe and also in Asian. So secondly, we have a perceived quality issues, which is a product innovation and design. So we have a operational and management efficiency, high production cost, which is one is a political and economic uncertainty. Uh, and also we have a limited global presence compared to some global competitors. Proton has a more limited international footprint. So we have many things to see face a global competition, compliant with international safety and emission standard, and acceptance of the green technology. Also, we have weaknesses in technological advancement, keep up with the rapid technological change in the automotive, and also have a challenge in future automotive, which is in Europe, they are looking for the electrical vehicle, more production, more suitable for environment. The rapid advancements to automotive technology, lack of ability to create on our own technology. So this is here we can see that we always depend to other company. We have make a joint venture, depends on their technology to create in our model automotive in Malaysia. So we can see the opportunities here. So we can see that electric vehicle in a market growth. So in a global demand of electric vehicle is increasing in line with awareness of environmental impact and increase of fuel efficiency. By entering the EV market, Proton can capitalize in a growth and gain a larger market share. So, secondly, in international expansion, uh, which is international market expansion, entering overseas market, especially in area with a rapid economic growth, can open up greater sale opportunity. Proton can explore a new market and diversity risk by getting more involved in outside Malaysia. The third is make a collaboration and association with an international company. So we can see now before this Proton making a local joint venture with Lotus, which is a Europe company, and they are making a good model and a good motors for motors and more power up can more power up motors to compete with other sport car have in Europe also and Japan market. So the fourth is we can see a partnership and collaboration to improvement of technology and product quality. By entering a more mature of competitive market, Proton needs to improve their technology and product quality. This include integrating the latest technology and offering attractive features to international customers. They also are integrated with a product development to develop a product that include vehicle, after sales service and mobility solution. This is a provide added value to customers and ensure a long-term agreement with the brand. The last we can see the complier with a international standard, an opportunity to ensure that standard we can comply with the safety emission and quality to set an international to is a gaining customer and provide and the trust. So the trade is a global economic factors. We have energy crisis and fuel issues. Also, we can see to other country have a same crisis as we happen in Malaysia. We are the technologies in Proton so have a same. So an energy crisis and increase of fuel price and can affect the demand of a vehicle, especially in consumers, which is switch to more efficient alternative in term of energy or fuel. Secondly is a global economic instability. Instability in the global economy, such a financial crisis of economic recession, can have a negative impact on consumer purchasing power and decrease in purchasing power to make cause a decrease in demand for vehicle, including Proton products. So the second is intense of competition, international trade issues, change in international trade policies such as increased tariff of trade restriction can affect the cost and availability of raw material and create challenges in the global supply chains. Second is a rapid technological development. Major players are global automotive industry such as Toyota, Toyota, and thirdly, we can see a changing regulatory environment, safety and emission standard, increasingly strict safety and emission standard in the international market, pose a challenge to all automotive companies. Second is we can see supply chain disruption. External factors such as a natural disaster or geopolitical event can disrupt the supply chain, affecting the production. Third is next is a rising cost of energy and raw materials. Rising price of energy and raw materials such as metal, plastic, and electronic component can increase vehicle production. This could put pressure on Proton profit margin in the future to are unable to adjust selling price to the rising cost. And that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum Doktor. My name is HASIDAH binti AHMAD. Today I will talk about strategy formulation framework, product for both company Proton and Daihatsu. So first I will talk about product development and innovation. Second is marketing and branding strategy. Third is collaboration and partnerships. Okay, now I will talk about for IFE metric, which is an internal factor evaluation that is consists of research and development, product efficiency, brand reputation, and financial stability. So now I will talk about EFE metric. So we will focus on market demand for electric vehicle, regulated environment, global economic condition, and competitive landscape. And then for CP metric, we will discuss about identify key success factor, list competitor rating, assign weight, calculate weight score, and interpretation of result. So now we will talk about the competitor. In terms of competitor, we will discuss about financial performance, market shares, product folio, brand perfection, marketing and branding strategy, and also the customer satisfaction. Lastly, for accomplishment and milestone, we will discuss about financial success, market shares growth, brand recognition, customer satisfaction, and sustainability and corporate responsibility. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am DAMIA EMIR BINTI Muhammad ARRIF EMIR, and I am going to present about internal external metrics, BCG metrics, and quantitative strategic planning metrics, as known as QSPM. For internal external metrics, as you can see from the table shown, with an EFE score of 3.20 and IFE score of 3.44, Proton Holdings Berhad status in the IE matrix stated to under the grow and build quadrant, as they have a strong internal capability and a favorable external environment. It implies that Proton Holdings Berhad is well positioned to pursue aggressive growth strategies, commit resources, and take advantage of market possibilities in order to increase its market share and gain a competitive edge. This shown that Proton Holdings Berhad recognize its own internal asset, which include robust financial resources, a trained personnel, effective operation, and cutting-edge goods and services. The business is aggressive in spotting and seizing outside chances in the sector of market. This growth can take many different forms, like breaking into untapped areas, launching fresh goods or services, collaborating with like-minded companies, or even thinking about mergers and acquisition. Innovation and investment in fields that complement the company advantages and market niches are prioritized. Proton Holdings Berhad want to expand and develop, usually want to get stronger in the market and establish themselves as leaders in their respective fields. The growth and build role emphasize steady and expansion over time and frequently represent a long-term strategic focus. Companies in this position must handle associate risk in addition to pursuing growth. While this is for BCG matrix table, for star, under star, Proton Holdings Berhad is a part of the automotive sector, which is a market with substantial potential for growth, particularly in emerging nations and areas where there is a growing demand for cars. Using some popular local celebrities to be the product ambassador on promoting, Proton also possesses monopolistic qualities in the automobile sector, having established itself in a rapidly expanding market alongside global brands and possessing the necessary financial resources and human capital. Proton might work hard and aim to overtake one of its rivals in terms of product development. Proton might work with Toyota or Honda to produce this good as hybrid vehicle, as these vehicles consume less gasoline. For question mark section, the demand for automobiles among consumers is rising due to reasons like urbanization, population expansion, and rising car prices, which collectively make the automotive sector a high-growth market. Proton Iris certainly being units with a low market share compared to competitors. Proton must decide whether to invest more to increase market share, reposition the product, or consider other strategic alternatives. Proton should take a slot on advertisement during their peak season, such as Hari Raya, to present the current Proton Iris into new geographic areas in Malaysia in order to utilize the eco-green mode in Proton Iris. Proton can also work with Produa to adapt and learn about it. For cash cow, Certain markets or segments within the automobile industry may be more developed than others and expand more slowly than new markets. These markets are seen as having slow growth. Proton Persona is settling units with a high market share in this mature or stable market. Proton need to invest more for product development for Proton Persona to make the car model appear more intriguing. The designer could make certain changes to the original blueprint. The vehicle style can be more futuristic and sportier. Proton can learn from Lotus or to increase this car model diversity by giving it a sportier appearance and performance similar to that of the Proton Satya Neo. While for dog, while another models like Proton Tiara, Proton Satya, and Proton Vira are relatively mature for or experiencing slow growth. This market may not offer significant growth opportunities. The model typically contribute a small share of the overall revenue and may struggle to generate significant profits. They are not significant players in their respective market due to their small market share. These companies are frequently reorganized through layoffs, liquidations, or divestiture. It did not meet the needs of many individuals and was too small. Lastly, as the table shown for quantitative strategic planning metric (QSPM) provides a structured framework for selecting strategic alternatives based on quantitative criteria. Several key factors influence the strategic orientation of Proton Holdings Berhad: developing strategic alliance, expanding market presence, enhancing product quality, and funding research and development are a few of these motivators. The QSPM study indicates that Proton should place a primary strategic emphasis on investing in research and development to enhance product quality, building strategic partnership with tech partners, and expanding its market footprint, particularly in developing regions, might potentially significantly strengthen Proton's competitive position. By aligning its strategy with these high priority sectors, Proton can counterattack risks and seize opportunities in the automotive business, ultimately resulting in sustained development and profitability. This result of analysis from QSPM that was shown can be defined as product development strategies that could be applied the relative interest by companies.
Assalamualaikum and hi doctor. My name is Adriana Syazwani binti Muhammad AZHAR. I'm in charge for explain about strategic implementation for Proton. The first one is product development. A simplified breakdown of Proton's strategic implementation of product development. First one is market research. It means understand what consumers want and analyze the competition. Next is research and development. It use advanced technology and creative design to exceed customer expectation. The next one is collaboration. The next one is teamwork. It means a collaboration between design, engineering, and production teams that ensures the product is both feasible and appealing. Next is quality control. It maintains high standards throughout the product development process. After that, marketing. It promote the product effectively through various channels to attract customers. Other than that is customer feedback. It means listen to customers to improve future products. The next one is iterative approach. It means continuously adapt to changing consumers' preference and market condition. And the last one is innovation, sustainability, quality, and customer centricity. It means core principles driving Proton's product development strategy. So, in conclusion, all the explanation highlight the key and the key steps and principles involved in Proton's product development process. The second one is market penetration. Okay, Proton's market penetration strategy is the first. The first is research. It means understand competitors, customer preference, and growth opportunities. The next one is expansion. Use research findings to expand market share in current areas or enter new markets. Next is product adaptation. It means modify product to suit local preference such as features, design, or pricing. The fourth one is distribution. It means expand distribution networks or partner with local distributors to improve accessibility. After that is marketing. Develop focused marketing strategies to increase brand recognition and highlight value proposition. After that, price positioning. It means find a balance between competitive pricing and profitability to attract and retain customer. Next is customer experience. Prioritize excellent customer service to encourage repeat business and loyalty. Other than that is geographic growth. It means explore opportunities for expansion into new regions with tailored product offerings and strategic alliance. And the last one, continuous monitoring. Stay vigilant, observing market and consumer trends and adjust strategies accordingly. So for summary, by implementing these market penetration plans, Proton aims to grow its market and share standards its competitive position in both current and new markets. Last but not least is market development. Proton's market development strategy is first is research. It means understand potential new markets through comprehensive market research. The next one is product adaptation. It means modify existing products to meet the needs and preference of the new market. The third one is distribution expansion. It means expand distribution networks to ensure products are accessible in the new market. Next is marketing. Develop tailored marketing plans to raise brand awareness and visibility in the new market. After that is partnerships. From strategic partnership to navigate regulatory challenge and gain local insight. Next is price positioning. It means adjust pricing strategies to remain competitive and profitable in the new market. Next is customer engagement. Prioritize customer relationship by offering personalized services and seeking feedback. Last but not least, continuous improvement. Monitor market dynamics and adjust strategies accordingly to maintain competitiveness and drive growth. So, in conclusion, by following this approach, Proton aims to expand its market reach, increase brand recognition, and drive long-term success in the automotive industries. Thank you.
Okay, for the conclusion of our assignment today for the company of Proton, as we can see, Proton Holdings Berhad, commonly known as a Proton in the Malaysia Automotive Company, held by the DRB Highcom, and Proton was established on in May 1983. The company has produced several original design models and operates at least at 26 countries for today. The majority in Asia also have a collaboration in Europe. Proton was once owned by the Khazanah National and National Malaysia, and later it was taken over by the DRP Highcom in Malaysia, and in a transaction of amounting in 1.2 billion ringgit Malaysia. Now, Proton is currently develop a brand a new range of petrol engines in a collaboration with Ricardo and Lotus Engineering as well. In addition, Proton has announced their partnership with LG Electronic in the development of autonomous technology, which is now the Proton collaborate with a company in electrical to using electric motors to produce uh, electric motor to put in their model. So Proton preview the Iris prototype with LG's advanced with a system ADAS, which is the most first of the model. Proton use a electric motor and have a system ADAS. So now Proton improve quality in a reputation, has successfully improved the quality in their product and improved their reputation over the past few years. The latest model, like Proton X15 and X17, are well received by the consumer and critics alike. So they are rebranding and get new technologies and a new good uh, impress impression for the customer in a new model Proton X 15 X 17. So secondly, the strategic cooperation. They have a strategy international cooperation, especially with a Geely from China. Uh, now they are collaborate also with JV again with Mitsubishi to make a improvement in of technology, design and industry knowledge is the result of this collaboration. Third is introduction of electric model. Like many automotive companies, Proton is also involved developing and introducing electric vehicle. This step is a part and effort to adapt the global trend toward sustainability and sustainable mobility, which is they are going to the motor environment friendly. Uh, then and the last is increase a sale and export market, has recorded increase domestic sale and has successfully explored export market. Step reflect and competitive the product with the international level, which are the Proton have looking forward to making a new model and making a good quality to competitive good model to other brand in the international market. Thank you.